In this video, we're going to go ahead and set up Python for a Mac computer. So if you're running a Windows machine or a Linux machine, do refer to the separate videos about that. This is specific to a Mac. Now, actually, as it turns out, Python is actually installed on a Mac by default. So we can do that. We can press Command Space and check this and type terminal. You can see that as I've started typing, it's accepted the letters. Press Enter. And I'm just going to move that and make it a little bit bigger so we can see it a bit better. And if we type Python, it actually works. But the thing is, that's actually version 2.7.10, and we want to actually use version 3. So to exit out of this, press Command D. And if I type Python 3, which would be the command to use Python version 3 and above, we get command not found, and that's because it hasn't been installed. So the purpose of this video is to go ahead and actually download and install Python 3 for a Mac. So to do that, I'm going to close that down, and we're going to do a search for Python download, Python download. And we'll get to this site here, python.org, which is the official Python website. Click on that. And then we're going to download the latest version. At the time of recording the video, it's 3.5. So I'm going to select that, click that. And automatically what it will do, it's depending on your operating system, it should come up and automatically detect which one you're on. You can select these if you're not sure, but in this case, it's come up with a PKG file, which is suitable for Mac OS X. So that's fine. We're going to click on Save. And you can see it was quite quick, so I'm going to go and show in folder so I can see that file. And what I'm going to do is actually move that. I'm just going to put it on my desktop for now and paste it and actually run this. So I'm going to double click it. It actually says it's going to install Python 3.5.0 for Mac OS X 10.6 or later. So I'm just going to continue. You can read all that if you want to. I'm just going to continue it all. Click on agree. Click on install. Type in my password and let that go ahead and install. Then once it's installed, we'll just actually check that it's actually working, and we can access it from the terminal, and we'll be done. Okay, you can see that's now finished, so I'm going to close that. And what I'll do now is I'll go back to terminal again, Command Space and type terminal, press enter. And now if I type Python 3, we now get Python 3 coming up. You can see that's got a recent build there, and it's all working okay, so we're good to go. So that's the basic Python installation set up. We still need to go ahead and set up and install IntelliJ, which is going to be the editor that we're going to be using for Python. We then need to tell IntelliJ where to find Python 3.5. But we'll be doing that in the next video.